Alright, so we're just kind of out riding around right now. My Cena actually died, and when mine died, I guess I was like the host, I guess. So, because theirs disconnected too, so they're trying to get theirs connected again. But, once again, I think it's just an update. I think I figured out it's just an update that I need to do on the GoPro, but it's saying that I've not recorded anything, which I have, though. I've done my intro, basically got a bunch of footage with my brother. And these guys, so we'll see what happens. I don't know what all has actually been picked up, you know, before, but what is going on, guys? It is your boy Caleb Moto back at it with another video. I appreciate you guys so much for checking in, tuning in, whatever you want to call it. I don't care what you call it, but thank you so much for doing it. But we're out here just riding around right now. We're in Tyrone, I don't know. Up down here where North Carolina meets like Landrum, South Carolina. But we're down here riding around, just kind of, you know, goofing off. They're doing their own things. You know, they're doing their wheelies and stuff. The guy on the green ZX10R is the guy in my last video on the white GSXR750. He went and traded for a Kawasaki. Good man, good man. But so I'm back with these guys now. So you already know when I'm riding with these guys, it is going to be an absolute banger. So guys, stay tuned, enjoy the video. I'm hoping all my footage you know, saved. I hope it's all there, but if not, I'm just going to have to use what I can, and I really do apologize. I've really got to get this GoPro thing figured out. But and also another thing, I'm trying to remember everything I've been trying to talk to you guys about. The angle on the GoPro, I think I've gotten it figured out. I think it's sitting pretty good right now. But if you guys want it, you know, positioned a different way, if you think it's going to better my channel and better the content, then please leave it down in the comment section below and let me know what I can do different, you know, to make it better for you guys. So I'm all about, you know, I'm all about change. If it's going to better me, if it's going to better the channel, if you know, if you guys are going to enjoy it, I'm all for it. But like I said, you know, I'm sorry guys, I've been having troubles with the GoPro and everything. But hey, as long as everything goes to plan, I've got big things coming to this channel, guys. Like, something I've wanted to do for a while. So just you guys just gotta stay tuned. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not gonna give any hints right now. I don't want to spoil nothing, but possibly big things are coming to the channel. We're back here at the Saluda Grade. I didn't know we was here. Whoa. But we're here. We're gonna get a, you know, a pass or two while we're here. So
Yours died?
yeah, my Cena died. Wow. And let me guess, I was the host.
Yes, sir. No, I mean, does yours just keep saying intercom failed? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what mine was doing.
Oh. I got pee.
We'll go pee. Hello, battery. You taking your nap? Oh, getting a workout, get it? Alright, so we're going to go and hit the highway now. They're going to give me some like flybys and stuff like that for you guys. Probably about to race is what it is. Oh, that sounds so good. Those bikes sound... Okay, I gotta put down the visor, even though it's tinted, at least for a minute, but those bikes just sound so good. Like, it's hard to beat that sound. Fire! Oh, fire! Fire from both. Oh, they're gonna race again? I don't know who to look at. That 1000's nasty, son. A big shout out and a big thank you to these boys, man. They've helped me a lot. Thank you guys so much. Building confidence, just riding, but yet, you know, taking my time, you know, being safe about it. I appreciate you guys. That's crazy, man. That's a flamethrower. That ain't no exhaust. That's a flamethrower. That's crazy, man. They're both just flamethrowers, bro. Kind of quick. The battery is almost dead, but you guys are probably wondering, whoa, we just went from complete darkness to daylight. Well, that's because my GoPro, like I said, I've been having issues, and I finally did the update on it, so hopefully those issues are fixed. But I lost a whole bunch of footage from yesterday, so I'm having to do my outro the next day. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Means a whole lot. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you haven't already, what are you doing if you've not hit that post notification bell? Go ahead and hit that for me also. Let me know your guys' feedback on the video. I love riding with those guys, and I also rode and got some really good footage with my brother Mark. But unfortunately, literally all of that footage is gone. It just says it can't be loaded, or there's like a green, like half the screen's green, and so I mean you can't even see it. But once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.